Stronger together. Understanding the power of unity in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and inspiring phrase in English, stronger together. This phrase is not just about words. It's about the meaning and significance behind them. It's a powerful message that resonates in various aspects of life, from teamwork to community and relationships. So, let's dive in and understand what makes us stronger together. Stronger together is a phrase that combines two simple words, stronger and together. Stronger is the comparative form of strong, indicating more strength or power. Together means with each other, jointly, or in collaboration. When we put these words together, the phrase suggests that we gain more strength or become more powerful when we unite or work as a group than when we are alone. The phrase, stronger together, goes beyond its literal meaning. It's often used to symbolize unity, cooperation, and collective effort. In many contexts, this phrase is a rallying call to bring people together towards a common goal. It implies that collaboration and teamwork can lead to greater achievements than individual efforts. 1. In team sports. In sports, stronger together highlights the importance of teamwork. No matter how skilled individual players are, victory is often achieved through team effort. 2. In social movements. This phrase is powerful in social or political movements. It emphasizes that a united group of people can bring about significant change more effectively than isolated individuals. 3. In personal relationships. In relationships, whether they are friendships, family, or romantic partnerships, stronger together signifies that being supportive and united can help overcome challenges and build a stronger bond. You might hear stronger together in speeches, motivational talks, or even casual conversations. It's used to inspire unity and collaboration. For English learners, understanding this phrase helps in comprehending the cultural emphasis on teamwork and collective effort in English-speaking countries. And that's stronger together for you. A simple phrase with a deep and powerful meaning. It's all about the incredible things we can achieve when we work in unity. Remember, in many aspects of life, we are indeed stronger when we are together. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more interesting English lessons. See you next time.